We've neglected the chat a little bit, but I see that Restream is doing our thing again, the thing again of LinkedIn user. So I'm going to guesstimate at who some of these people are. I haven't looked at the LinkedIn stream yet, so maybe you can do that in the background while I'm just referencing these to work out who these comments are. But I'm pretty sure some of them must be Angelica, because I see a few of them there. Context is queen. We spent quite a bit of time on this topic. And I think that it's super important to make sure you're not just presenting for the sake of it, and the content that's in your presentation matters. Quite often when we present, I think one image does it. One slide, a background image, just gives you all the collateral that you need to be able to talk about it. Having the skills to be able to talk about it is a different kettle of fish, but yeah, context.
Yeah. Context, absolutely.
Next one here, okay? We've got a little bit of a mention about data literacy here, and I actually wanted to ask Chris about this as well, was the link between data literacy and presentation skills, I think, is probably quite a strong one. And I don't mean that from a pure literacy perspective of the person who's presenting. I'm probably talking about the gap between the user who is presenting and the person who's receiving that information. Yeah. Very often those audiences are not on the same literacy level. And I think that's often not compensated for when it comes to presentation. So a technical paradigm will be applied to deliver technical information to a non-technical audience who does not have the literacy to be able to understand what the subject is.